Uptown Swing. Level 2 classics. This is Stacia.
That's Peter.
That's right. We started with the peekaboo. Go like this. Rock, step, triple step, turny, turny, turn. Rock, step, I rock, step, rock again. Now we're all together. Oh, then we finish like this. Hey, 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 turn, turn, and then we're out. We also did a sneaky way out of it if we're here. Rock, step. This is a little more like the social way. Once you're here, you're grooving. Hello. Hello. Make sure you get your face really close to your partner's face. They love it. Right? Little sniff. Huh? They love that.
I do love that.
Okay. But when you want to get out of it, you just do a little rock step out. Rock step, leaders. That's your way. Switch your feet. We're not done though. And then we did the promenade.
Yep.
Remember with the old, oh yeah, swoopy, swoopy, swoop. You're not gonna do it?
Letting you do it.
Oh man. Here goes. Rock, step, triple step, swoop, swoop, triple step. Rock, triple step, swoop, swoop. Don't get shook. You could just do it like this. Hop, hop. That'll get you there. To swoop, swoop, triple step.